Hey everyone, I wanted to go over real quick some of the changes that we've made in the Mud Designer over the last couple of days since my last video. Um, Now I've actually got it usable in the state where you can use it outside of the Visual Studio editor more as a standalone product now. So we had the Mud Designer editor, and then we had the Mud Engine. We had the scripts folder here where you can go inside, and inside of here will be all of your scripts. You can lay them out however you want. They don't have to be inside of these folders. Inside of here, environment. See, I have my my custom room scripts for my little project here, but what we're going to focus on is creating objects. Underneath this objects folder here, I have a barrel. If you right click and go to edit, you can see here that this is my barrel and it inherits from base item. That's the key item there. My barrel inherits from base item. Blue barrel right here inherits from barrel. So why that's important is I will show you, because now at the Mud Designer editor you can come over here to objects, and there's our barrel, and you can pop this down and there is blue barrel. So it looks at the inheritance hierarchy and it builds the objects tree based off of that. And this is just for items. Equipable items and usable items will do the same thing. You can have potions with healing, poison, blah blah blah, or you can have swords and then all your swords, and then shields and all your shields. You can really break things down by doing them this way. So we will close this and we go to scripts, we'll go to objects, and we're going to copy and paste blue barrel and rename this to green barrel. Edit it and rename this in here as well. We've got to rename the class from blue to green barrel. Close it, go to our Mud Designer editor, launch it, go to objects, pop this down, there is our green barrel script. So demonstrating also compiling our scripts and making them available for us within the editor and the game during runtime. And then lastly, we'll go to scripts, objects, and we're going to take this barrel and copy it and paste it and rename it to furniture. And then we are going to take blue barrel, copy it and paste it, and we're going to rename this to table. So first things first, this furniture, we need to edit it and change it. It's no longer a barrel, it is now furniture. And I'm going to get rid of this because this is just some extra code that you don't need. You can use it, but it's not important right now. It's not what I'm demonstrating. So this is our furniture file with our furniture class. It inherits from base item. All classes that inherit from base item will be displayed underneath the items tab inside the editor. So we'll close this. We'll go to our table and we will change its class name to table, but instead of inheriting from barrel, we now inherit from furniture. Close this, go back to new here, we'll launch our editor, go to objects, and now there is our furniture with our table, and there's our barrel with all of our barrels. So this demonstrates how easy it's going to be to quickly create custom game objects that you want to put inside your room. You will be able to just drag and drop them down here. This stuff's going to be modified a little bit to match more of this layout up here, and you'll simply just drag a barrel down here, place it, and just like with the environments, you would come over here, and instead of this being your realm properties, it'll be your barrel properties, and you can give this barrel the name of green or of a wine barrel. And then your next green barrel over here, you can click and come over here, and you can have 5 different green barrels, but all of them with a different name, a different description, so that when the user walks into this room, you're using the same script over and over and over. You're just bringing this over here, drag and drop, drag and drop, drag and drop, all into the same room. You can have 4 or 5 of those exact same green barrels, but with different names, different descriptions, and they will be able to hold items as well. So making some very good progress, and we are still hoping to be able to get a Alpha 2 release space here pretty quickly. So hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.